Well, talking of much rallied escorts, car number 17 is Ken Macdonald from Christchurch, another RS 1800 Escort. A car that's ex-Roger Clark. He drove it in the Southern Cross Rally. That's the English champion. And Mike Marshall has driven it in various Motorguard rallies. So another long-distance rally car.
In fact, of all the replica BDA Escorts that have been in this country, this is one of the very few works cars. This was a works car that Mike Marshall picked up when he was at the Southern Cross Rally in Australia. It's a genuine article. Obviously has been rebuilt since then, but it had all the good trick bits in it to start with, so it should be a very competitive car.
Ken Macdonald working the car as hard as he knows how. The track's starting to stabilise now. A lot of the loose stuff being blown off the surface on the uphill bit. 45.4 around the top now. That's a good time for Ken Macdonald. Can he repeat the performance on the way down without falling off the hill?
Just coming up to the corner here where Mark Jennings fell off this morning. It doesn't look like a difficult corner, but it is. We've had two people off this morning.
Ken Macdonald fairly flying down the hill. Great rooster tails of shingle and a 1:14.6 for Ken Macdonald. Goodness gracious me, the pressure is certainly on.
That's, by my reckoning, unofficially the second fastest time of the day. So he's come from nowhere, really, from a 1:18.79 to come right up to 1:14.6. We'll confirm it for you in a moment, but it's a very competitive time. 14.6 is confirmed.
From Christchurch, a similar car, an RS 1800 with a 2-litre BDA. Playing the throttle a little to get traction off the line.
Yes, a very different starting tactic from Brian Walker. And you can see as they come up that first little sweeper there, how much pace they've got on, which is the end of first gear, perhaps just picking second. I think that was a minor mistake there. He got it pointed in, he got the nose pointed in a little too close to the bank and had to feather off the middle, so we'll have a look at the top and see if it's going to cost him. He had 43.4 on the first run up.
I would suspect, Tony, the way it's leaping around, that it could well have a puncture. Car looking very unstable in the back. The right rear tyre looks all right.
Either a driver suffering under pressure or something wrong with the back end, because he did seem to be losing the back end far too easily, even on the uphill stage. No puncture.
No, he's got it all together downhill.
Perhaps just the pressure of the event. 1:12.4. So not as quick as a car very similar. Brian Walker's. Ken Macdonald perhaps is going to be borderline with that.